Hi everyone, welcome to the Best of CAT series from IMS. Let's have a look at one question from sequence and series. And as usual at the end, do not forget to solve the replica. Now here the question is, find the number of common terms between two sequences. The first sequence is 15, 19, 23, 27, a very simple arithmetic progression with a common difference of 4 up till 415 being the last term. And then the next series is 14, 19, 24, 29, again a arithmetic progression with a common difference of 5. And we need to find how many common terms will these two series have. So in this, the standard rule is to find the first common term, and the examiner has been very good to us and given us the first common term also, 19. 19 is the first common term. Now very importantly, what will be the next common term? Either you could actually keep going ahead. So after 27 there will be 31, 35, 39 and so on, and even in the next series you could do that, or just understand that the common difference will be the LCM of these two common differences. So what is the LCM of 4 and 5? LCM of 4 and 5 will be 20. So the common difference in the common terms ka series will be 20. So the first term is 19, the next term will be 39, then 59, then 79 and so on. The last term will have to be less than 415. Now let's think a little bit, because this series ends at 464 while this series ends at 415, so it has to end below 415. Now think a little bit carefully, no point solving and wasting a lot of time. The last term has to end in 9 because all the terms are ending in 9. And if you see 19, 39, 59, 79, the term before 9 is also an odd number, which means before 415 the term which ends in 9 can be 409, but that's not my term because 0 is not odd, and hence the number will be 399. This term will be 399. So addition of 20, 20, 20 and you will reach the last term as 399. Once you've reached here, actually orally you should be able to find out how many terms are there. The options are like 9, 18, 19, 20, 21, so they were close options, so don't play around with the option, but this was pretty easy to find out. So if I look at this, this is 20 1s minus 1, while this is 20 20s minus 1, which means there are 20 terms. Well, if you're not able to figure that out, no big deal. A was 19, D was 20, and the last term was 399. Find N using the formula, which I would not do in the exam. I would want you to get it directly. So Tn is A plus N minus 1 into D. So 399 is equal to 19 plus N minus 1 into 20. So how much is 399 minus 19? That will be 380. 380 divided by 20 would be N minus 1. So that will be 19. Therefore 19 is equal to N minus 1, and therefore N is 20, which is the fourth option. But as I said, after this step, you should have got that part orally. Those 10, 15 seconds, whatever you were able to save, you should have definitely saved. Well, again, an easy question. Should have got this in an exam scenario also. Try the replica and let us know how you found the question.